Let's make festive special jam cookies. 65 gram desi ghee or butter, should be semi molten state. 75 grams powdered sugar. So mix it nicely. Beat it till it's light and fluffy for just few seconds. Something like buttercream. Add in 92 grams of maida, 7 gram of besan, 7 grams of suji, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Sift it thoroughly. Combine everything together. Beat to mix everything together. Now form a dough with hands. See, it's able to bind it. Just add 1 to 2 teaspoon of milk, not more than that. The aroma is amazing, guys. You should be able to make a dough like this. Take 20 ml milk and 15 grams of butter. Mix both together. This is the milk bath we are going to give. Start making round balls. Weight approximately 20 grams. Around 20 grams. So just press a bit and flatten from the sides. So it should be thin, not too thick. So like this. Now press a bit from the center with the thumb. So एक तरह से थोड़ा सा ना होल काइंड ऑफ करना है, थोड़ा सा बीच में से एक इंडेंटेशन बनानी है ताकि उसमें हम जैम फिल कर सकें. So just very lightly with the thumb. I am taking mango jam. Just mash it. So that it is pieable. और ऐसे ही या फिर हाथ से भी आप इसमें डाल सकते हैं. So like this. So spread this milk and butter bath or milk or butter mixture on the top. थोड़ा थोड़ा. Now add this mango jam in the center. So you can take any jam, mixed fruit, mango, strawberry, as per your wish. So flatten it a bit. So in a baking tray पे रखे with silicone mat or parchment paper and bake at 170 for 20 to 25 minutes in preheated OTG. So if you want you can sprinkle some sugar on the top. इसको अच्छे से ठंडा होने देना और ये और क्रिस्पी हो जाएंगे. सो बहुत अच्छे बने हैं, बहुत क्रिस्पी है एंड जैम भी पूरी कैरेमलाइज हो गई है. It's too good, guys. So try this amazing recipe and enjoy.